Dino Fernando, born as Jose de Cordacua Serban on the 19th of November 1940, is an actor in the Philippines. He acted in the movie Bulan Bulungan by Sampaguita Pictures as a man who seduces Nita Blanca. He became famous because of this movie. He is of Chinese descent. He is from Stars 66 of Sampaguita Pictures, which includes Gina Pereno, Rose Marisa Nora, Hepito Rodriguez. He died on the 27th of August 1987.
Sana yung mga mata kong tumingin sa magagandang babae. Hindi pareho mong sampal sa mga kalalakihan.
Baka naman ikinahihiya mo ang lahi natin. Hoy, accepted na tayo ngayon. You should be proud. Alam mo, Billy, nung una kong makita ang retrato mo, Diyos ko, afraid ang beauty ko. Sabi ko, naku, mayroon na yata akong kakompetensya sa pagiging Miss Universe. Pero, now that I see you, well, there's nothing extraordinary really about you, except of course your hair na malapit nang mag-vavay. Sige na, Mama, aminin mo na. Total tayong dalawa lang naman ang bakla rito. Ay, ayun pa pala ang isa.
Ano bang ginagawa ko rito? Ba't ako papatol sa isang bakla? Waiter!
Wow, hombre.
Waiter!
Ay, puta ka, de ngayon na-booking ka.
Eh mabuti kung ganun nga ho, sir. Kaya lang nalaman ko na ginagamit lang nilang MPA para mag...
Ayun sabi.
Show them. Please. I was looking for Goodwin. I just killed the Japanese and they're looking for me.
If we find out he's been lying, he's dead. Pag nalaman namin nagsisinungaling ka, ako yayari sa'yo. Naintindihan mo?
Oo.
Too much. Mukhang made it, Tony. You have to pay to see. Kano ba yan, Tony? 2,000? Pasok mo na. Go. What do you have? Street. No good. Full house. Wala naman kasi pwedeng check it. May fun ba yan? Hindi mo dapat sabihin kito niya. Hindi mo yata kilala ang asawa niya. Si Fe, Amor.
Itang gawin sa akin to. I'm jobless. Inutil ako sa'yo, inutil ako sa lahat. Babae ka nasaktan, okay? You're a woman scorned. Mapapatawad kita. Bukas makaluwi.